so today's lesson we're going to think about how far the planets are away from each other, because it's difficult for me to think about how big space is. So there's a link to a video under this video, which is how to make the solar system in your pocket. You'll need a long piece of paper. They suggest a piece of paper as long as your arms can go. So whatever you've got. I've used a bit of wrapping paper left over from Christmas, which you might have. You might have an old roll of wallpaper indoors. If you haven't got any large paper, just take a page out of one of your books and simply glue or sellotape them together. So now you also need some colour pens and some scissors. That's all you need to make the solar system in the pocket. So now I need you to watch the video and then come back here and I'll show you what I've done. So this is the solar system in the pocket that I've created. I'd love to see yours later on in the Zooms, and then you can fold it up or roll it up, and there you go, you've got the whole solar system in your pocket.